Okay, so I received my Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club kit today in the mail, and I'm so excited. I absolutely love getting these, mainly because I have a really hard time picking out fabric, and sometimes I stick to the same color schemes, which is often blues. So getting these fabric kits and figuring out how to work with different colors has been really, really fun for me. So I'm going to show you the fat quarters that came in this month's kit. It's really pretty. There are purples and kind of yellowy greens, and it's a really fun mixture. When I pulled this out, I was like, oh my goodness, this reminds me of the first kit that I got. And I'm guessing because they are similar, but I absolutely loved this one, so I'm really excited for this one as well because I really love greens and purples, so these are perfect for me because they are colors I like but get me outside of my blues. So let's take a closer look at each pattern. It's kind of a darker purple with light purple mixed in. It's kind of like a watercolor look. This one reminds me of like a henna tattoo. There's some greens and purples and yellows. Really pretty. Kind of a lighter watercolor look. Love it. And I think this is kind of a technique that you often see, and I think it's pronounced batik fabrics. So this is a really pretty print as well. So you get a lot in each one, in each kit. And then you get pattern ideas if you want to use the pattern they give. So I'll show you this pattern for this month, and then I'll show you kind of some of my previous months. So this one is different pot holders. So this one I will make. I'll make these pot holders. They are definitely something I would use, so I like that. And then it tells you what other items you may need. And then it has the whole pattern through here. So I'll make those. I'm excited to give those a try. But I'm going to show you what some of my last boxes look like. I know that I showed this pattern before, but I don't think I showed the finished pillowcase from my very first one. So that was the pillow in this pattern, and it was actually really fun and easy to make. There was a few things that I was off on cutting. I didn't follow very well, but it still came together. And then there was enough fabric to make two. And this was my first time trying freehand quilting. And so I did pretty okay. I'm going to finish this one off and actually finish the pillows one day. But it was a lot of fun to make. I liked that one a lot. Then I have 2 more months of boxes that I got after my first one. And the second box was these colors. So you can see the different fat quarters through here. It was the Fresh Picked collection. But this one, the patterns were for little clutch purses. And I would never use those. So I just went ahead and made some pot holders from a pattern book I already had. But you can see the colors a little bit better. I haven't used all of the colors, but you can kind of see the color scheme on here. So these were really cute. I really love how these come so coordinated together. And then this was my 3rd month with Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club, and I was obsessed with these colors. But again, the pattern wasn't something I would use. It was for Casserole Cozy. Now I'm going to keep these pattern books because you never know when you may decide you need to make something like that, or maybe somebody will ask for something like that. So I'm gonna keep it, but it just wasn't something I wanted to make with these fabrics because they were so beautiful. So I designed my own quilt as you go bag and use the fabrics on there. I haven't completed it yet, as you can see, but yeah, here are the colors all together. Since it was my first design, I kind of messed up a little bit and had to put some patches on, but I'm really happy with how these colors match, and I think it's a really cute bag that I'm gonna have here. So yeah, I've been really happy with this quilt fabric box that I've been getting. And again, this is this month's collection. So thanks so much for watching. I look forward to my next boxes. I also get a box from the Pre-Cut Fabric Shop. So when that comes in, I'll show you my last month's pick from them and also this month's. Bye. Thanks for stopping by.